Okay, so today we are going to talk about comparing two non-equivalent fractions. A fraction, there are two parts of the fraction. We have the numerator and the denominator. The numerator tells you how many copies there are of the unit fraction. The denominator tells you how many equally sized pieces there are of the whole. So the first kind of method, there are four methods, or 5 methods. And the first method we are going to talk about is the converting it to a decimal. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our calculator and we're going to type in this first fraction. We have 1/4 and 3/5. So we're going to do 1 divided by 4, and this is our decimal that we get, 25 hundredths. Next we're going to do 3/5, so 3 divided by 5, and we get 6/10. Now looking at these two numbers, we're going to look at our place values and our tenths place, since these are two different place values in the numbers. So we have a 2 in the tenths place and a 6. Obviously the 6 is larger, so this means that 6/10 is larger than the 25 hundredths, so that means that 3/5 is larger. Now we can do another method, check this too. And this method is called the cross multiply. And why this works is because when you cross multiply, you will see that your whichever fraction the numerator has the largest number, that tells you how many pieces there are. So if you have more pieces, that means we have a larger number in the fraction. So to cross multiply, we're basically just going to cross. So we're going to make a cross with our fraction. So we're going to do 1 times 5, which is 5, 4 times 3, which is 12. Looking at this, we can look above our fractions and see that 1/4 has 5 and 3/5 has 12. Obviously the 12 is larger than 5, so we know that 3/5 is larger than 1/4. Again, looking at this cross multiplication, we know that this is larger because there's more larger pieces in the numerator than the 5 that we have here.